The Wilson family usually spends 1/5 of its income on food each month. How much do they spend on food? Their monthly income is $5,478.29. So how we do this? First, we have to calculate 1/5 of 5,478.29. When we have of, it's like multiplication. So we can write that this is 1/5 times, let's forget about dollar symbol, 5,478 decimal point 29. Because we have here decimal number, we can change 1/5 to decimal number also. How we can do this? You can do long division, or because we need to have in the denominator 10, 100 or 1000. So if I multiply 1/5 denominator by 2, I will get 10. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So we have 1 times 2 is 2, 5 times 2 is 10. Now 2/10, 2 over 10, so this is 0.2. We can write, or you can do long division. You can divide 1 by 5 and you will get the same answer. So we have here 0.2 times 5,478 decimal point 29. We have multiplication of decimal numbers. How we do this? We have to first forget about decimal points, and what else? On the top we will write number which has more digits, 5,47829, and the 0 before 2 we don't need, because when we multiply it times 0 will be 0, so doesn't make sense to write this, so we have times 2. We multiply decimal numbers like whole numbers first. So we forget about decimal points, 0 before 2, and we multiply these two numbers. 2 times 9 is 18, so we have 8 and 1 we add to next column. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 8 is 16, so we have 6 and 1 we add to next column. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15, so we have 5 and 1 we add to next column. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 5 is 10. And next we have to check decimal places. In the first decimal number, in our first factor, we have 1 digit after decimal point, so we have 1 decimal place. In the second, we have 2 digits after decimal point, so we have 2 decimal places. 1 plus 2 is 3. So we need to have 3 decimal places in our solution. We start to count from right to left. 1, 2, 3. So decimal point will be between 5 and 6. So our solution will be 1095 decimal point 658. And what else? Because this is with dollar symbol, we calculate how much they spend on food each month. $1,095.658 we have, and the prices we have only with cents, so we need to have only 2 digits after decimal point, so we have to write to the 100. We check the digit which is after our underlined digits is 8. When we have 5 or greater number, we need to add 1 to our underlined digit. So we have, and now the digits which we have after our underlined digits we change to 0, 8 we change to 0, and 5 plus 1 is 6. The rest what we have before our underlined digits we have to copy. So 6, we will write decimal point 5901. So we can rewrite that they spent $1,095 $95.66 every month for food.